This poor dog found itself trapped on an iceberg amidst a freezing sea. With the looming threat of becoming frozen solid, the dog shivered in hope of a savior. A remarkable video from 2010, which recently went viral on social media, showcased a group of fishermen passing by the icy waters near Siberia. They spotted the black dog trembling on the drifting ice. They were uncertain about how the dog ended up in such a dire situation. However, one of the fishermen, driven by his love for animals and without any hesitation, bravely dived into the icy waters to save the dog before it was too late. This act was incredibly risky because the freezing seawater can induce hypothermia, causing the body to lose its ability to maintain its core temperature, potentially leading to. With utmost care, he maneuvered the iceberg, ensuring the dog didn't fall off. He tied a rope around the dog, and they began hoisting it onto the ship. Thanks to the fisherman's bravery, the ordeal ended well, and the dog was finally safe, reunited with its companions.